The Cape buffalo, often called the African buffalo, is one of the most dangerous large animals on the African continent. It may look like an oversized cow, but its reputation is far more sinister. This formidable creature has earned its place among Africa's most feared wildlife, and for good reason. An adult Cape buffalo can weigh anywhere between 500 to 900 kilograms, a mass that belies its surprising agility. Despite this enormous size, it can run at speeds of 35 to 40 kilometers per hour, making it extremely difficult to escape once it decides to charge. This combination of weight and speed makes the Cape buffalo a force to be reckoned with in the African savanna. What makes this animal so deadly is not just its size or horns, but its unpredictable nature. Hunters and wildlife experts often describe the Cape buffalo as Africa's Black Death. When threatened or injured, it has a tendency to charge without warning, catching even experienced safari goers off guard. And unlike some animals that attack only once, the Cape buffalo is known to circle back and continue the assault until its target is completely neutralized. This relentless behavior has led to countless tales of narrow escapes and tragic encounters. Every year, hundreds of people, mostly local farmers and hunters, lose their lives to buffalo encounters. Their sharp, curved horns can pierce through the body in seconds, and combined with their weight, the impact can crush bones instantly. In many African villages, the buffalo is considered even more dangerous than lions, a testament to the respect and fear it commands among those who share its habitat. The saltwater crocodile, in contrast, presents a different kind of danger. As the largest reptile on Earth, with males often growing over 6 meters in length and weighing more than 1,000 kilograms, it is a living remnant of prehistoric times. Found across Southeast Asia, northern Australia, and parts of India, these ancient predators have perfected their hunting techniques over millions of years. Crocodiles are ancient survivors, having roamed the earth for over 200 million years. They have evolved into near-perfect ambush predators, with the saltwater crocodile standing at the apex of this evolutionary success. It uses patience and camouflage as its primary weapons, able to float silently just beneath the water's surface, with only its eyes and nostrils visible, waiting for unsuspecting prey. When it strikes, the speed is shocking. With explosive power, the crocodile launches from the water, locking its jaws on its victim with one of the strongest bite forces ever measured in the animal kingdom. Scientists estimate it can exert up to 3,700 pounds of pressure per square inch, more than enough to crush bones instantly. This incredible bite force, combined with its massive size, makes the saltwater crocodile a truly formidable predator. Once it seizes its prey, the crocodile performs what is called a death roll. It spins its massive body violently in the water, tearing flesh and disorienting the victim until drowning occurs. Many humans in regions near rivers and coastlines fall victim to this predator each year, making it one of the most feared animals in the world. Its ability to lurk unseen and strike with lightning speed has earned it a reputation as a living nightmare in many coastal communities. Moving from the water to the air, we encounter another deadly creature, the box jellyfish. Considered the most venomous marine animal known to science, this translucent terror is found in the waters of northern Australia, the Philippines, and throughout the Indo-Pacific. What makes the box jellyfish particularly dangerous is its near invisibility underwater, which makes it especially hazardous to swimmers and divers. Its body is shaped like a cube, giving it its name, and its tentacles can extend up to 3 meters long. Each tentacle contains thousands of specialized cells called nematocysts, which release venom when they come in contact with skin. The venom of a box jellyfish is a potent cocktail that attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin cells all at once, making it one of the most efficient killers in the animal kingdom. The pain from a sting is described as excruciating, like being branded with hot metal. In severe cases, the venom can cause cardiovascular collapse within just a few minutes, leaving little time for medical intervention. Victims who survive the sting often bear scars for life from the tentacle's contact, a permanent reminder of their brush with death. What makes this creature even more dangerous is how easy it is to miss. Transparent and delicate, it floats silently in shallow waters where humans frequently swim. Because of this, Lifeguards in northern Australia place special nets across beaches to protect people during the jellyfish season. Despite these precautions, encounters with box jellyfish remain a serious concern for coastal communities and tourists alike. Shifting our focus to land, we encounter the African elephant, the largest land animal on the planet. Males can stand up to 4 meters tall and weigh over 6,000 kilograms. While they are often admired for their intelligence and social behavior, they are also responsible for hundreds of human deaths each year, a stark reminder of the power and potential danger of these magnificent creatures. Elephants usually avoid conflict, preferring to live peacefully alongside other species. However, when threatened, provoked, or during musth, a period when males experience a surge in testosterone, they become extremely aggressive. During such times, elephants may charge vehicles, trample humans, and destroy entire villages, leaving a path of destruction in their wake. Unlike many wild animals, elephants show a surprising level of strategy in their attacks. They can remember past encounters and may specifically target people or structures that pose a perceived threat. In rural parts of Africa and India, human-elephant conflict is common, as expanding farmland overlaps with elephant territory. This encroachment on their habitat often leads to deadly confrontations. Their sheer power makes them almost impossible to stop once they decide to attack. With their tusks, they can lift and throw objects weighing hundreds of kilograms, and their feet alone are enough to crush a human body instantly. The combination of intelligence, memory, and raw strength makes elephants one of the most formidable and unpredictable animals on the African continent. Equally imposing and perhaps even more aggressive is the hippopotamus. Despite its calm appearance while resting in rivers, the hippo is one of Africa's most dangerous animals. These semi-aquatic mammals spend most of their time in water, but when disturbed or threatened, they become highly aggressive, capable of unleashing devastating attacks on anything they perceive as a threat. A male hippo can weigh up to 3,200 kilograms, and with a mouth that opens nearly 180 degrees, its jaws are capable of snapping a small boat in half. The bite force of a hippo is measured at over 1,800 pounds per square inch, strong enough to crush bones with ease. This incredible jaw strength, combined with their territorial nature, makes hippos a serious threat to both humans and other animals. Hippos are extremely territorial in the water. They attack boats, fishermen, and anyone who comes too close to their domain. On land, they can run surprisingly fast, up to 30 kilometers per hour, making them nearly impossible to outrun. This combination of speed, power, and aggression has earned hippos a fearsome reputation throughout Africa. Each year, hippos are responsible for more deaths in Africa than lions, leopards, or even crocodiles. Locals who live near rivers often fear hippos more than any other animal because encounters are sudden, violent, and usually fatal. The unpredictable nature of hippo attacks and the animal's ability to move swiftly both in water and on land make it one of the most dangerous creatures in Africa. As we move from the massive to the more subtle threats, we encounter the king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake. Capable of growing up to 5.5 meters in length, this serpent is found in India and Southeast Asia and holds a legendary status in both culture and fear. Its size, intelligence, and deadly venom make it one of the most respected and feared reptiles in the world. Unlike many snakes that avoid confrontation, the king cobra is more likely to stand its ground when threatened. It raises 1/3 of its body off the ground, spreads its hood, and hisses loudly to warn off intruders. This impressive display is often enough to deter potential threats, but if provoked further, it strikes with deadly precision, delivering a potent dose of neurotoxic venom. The venom of the king cobra is primarily neurotoxic, attacking the nervous system with devastating efficiency. A single bite delivers enough venom to kill an adult elephant, and in humans, it can cause dizziness, paralysis, and respiratory failure within hours. The speed and potency of its venom make the king cobra one of the most dangerous snakes in the world. Despite its fearsome reputation, the king cobra rarely bites humans unless it feels cornered. However, snake charmers, farmers, and people living near forests are at high risk of fatal encounters. Its combination of size, intelligence, and lethal venom makes it one of the most dangerous reptiles alive, commanding respect and caution from all who share its habitat.